Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about some of our helpers, our community helpers. For that, you are going to take out your journal awareness book. And now come to page number 3636. What is the name of our topic? Our helpers. What is the name? Our helpers. They are called community helpers because they all live with us and give us their services. So, on both these pages, we are going to learn about them, and here the heading says, here are some people who help us. How many have you seen? आपने इसमें से कितने देखे हैं? Take the pictures. So we are going to tick on the picture. Children, look here carefully. He is having plow in his hand and he is standing near the greenery. Who is he? He is a farmer. Who is he? A farmer. Have you seen in villages you will find farmer? Ma'am has seen, so ma'am is going to tick on it. Now, who is this? This person gives us letters. They come to our house and say, knock, 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 I have brought you letters. Who is he? Postman. So, I am going to tick here also. Now, this is a lady and she treats the teeth. She treats our teeth. When we get cavity, जब हमारे दांतों में कीड़ा लग जाता है or we have some pain in our teeth, we go to this lady and her name is, what do we call her? Dentist. Who is she? Dentist. Ma'am has once got a cavity, so I am going to tick. If you have not seen her, do not tick. Now comes this lady. It can be a man or a woman. Here we have woman and she is stitching clothes. She is cutting the clothes and then she will sew it. Who does this work? A tailor. Very good. So, we are going to tick on it. Remember children, you will not tick on those community helpers whom you don't know. Okay? Now, who is he? Yes, he is a police officer. So, we have seen him. We will tick it. Now, this person is, he is having one tap and some tool in his hand. He is fixing our taps. Who does this thing? His name is plumber. When we make new houses, then we do the fitting of taps, showers, bathtubs. So this person comes and fixes it. His name is plumber. We call it plumber. If you have seen, then you will tick. Otherwise not. I have seen, so I am going to tick here. Now comes this lady. She takes care of the patients who get sick and you will find her in the hospital. Who is she? Tell me fast, fast. Yes, she's a nurse. So I'm going to tick over here. Now this is our next helper. He is making something from the wood. He is cutting the wood and then he will make furniture. Furniture means sofa, chairs, tables, everything he is going to make. Who is he? He is a carpenter. If you have seen, then you are going to tick on it. Ma'am has seen it. Now, coming to this community helper. Yes, I know you are looking at this big cake. Who bakes the cake? Yes, baker bakes the cake. So, we are going to tick on it. We all have seen it. Now, on this page, we are having some more community helpers. Remember, community helpers are who? Who live with us and give us our services. Give us their services. What are their services? Like this is an electrician. Who is he? An electrician. He repairs all the switches, lights of our houses. Every electricity work is done by him. He is known as the electrician. I think everybody has seen him. Now we are going to talk about this person. Have you heard that rhyme? Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe, get it done by 2:30. Yes, so cobbler is the one who mends the shoe, who repairs our worn out shoes. So I have seen it, I am going to tick on it. Now comes this person. He is doing something with the bricks. And this is cement mixture. The person who build our houses is called a mason. Who is he? Mason. Ma'am has seen a mason, so ma'am is going to tick over here. If you have not seen him, no problem. Now come to this. Okay, once again we have a lady pilot. Who we have? Lady pilot. The one who runs the aeroplane. When you sit in an aeroplane and the driver of the aeroplane is called a pilot. Ma'am has actually not seen a pilot in the real life, so ma'am is not going to tick over here. Ma'am has not seen a pilot. Now we are going to talk about this person. This community helper is a driver. He's driving a van. So everybody has seen a driver. You come to school by school bus. There also you see a driver. So I'm going to tick here. Now this person, can you see what is he having in his hands? He's having a comb and some hairdressing equipment. So one who cuts our hair and gives it styling is called a hairdresser. You must have got your hairs cut, so I'm going to tick over here. Everybody has seen it. Now comes this person. Can you see? In this big utensil, he's making something and there is fire. So, who is he? He's wearing an apron. He's a chef. He's a chef. One who makes food for us. So, everybody has seen a chef, I think so. So, I'm ticking over here. Now comes this person. This community helper is doing something, digging something in the garden. And he is maintaining all the greenery and the flowers. So he is a gardener. If you have seen, you are going to tick, otherwise not. Ma'am has seen, so ma'am is going to tick over here. And this last one, he is having water pipe in his hand and he is wearing a red dress. Do you know who is he? He is also wearing a helmet. When there is fire in very huge amount, then these person come and wash away all the fire with the water. Fire goes out with water, and those person who stops fire are called firemen. Firemen. So ma'am has not seen fireman. I have always heard about them. Thanks to God, I have never needed them. So I'm not going to tick over here. Okay? Now children, come to page number 3838. We have already talked about so many helpers. Now we are going to study in detail. But before that, we are going to write here the date. So the date is 2/3/23. I am writing here so that you can see properly. 7.2020 and C.W. So let's talk about them in detail. Who is the first person I have told you? Yes, he is a farmer. What does he do? He grows crops. Grows means ugana, crops means fasal. Fasal means wheat and rice, barley. These all come under the crops category. So he is a farmer and he grows crops for us. Now you can see a train and he is the driver of this train. So, what is his name? His name is engine driver because he sits in the engine. The front bogie is called the engine where the driver sits. So, he is the engine driver and he drives the train. See, this is a train. Chuk 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 rail gari. Chuk 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 rail gari. Now, we are going to talk about this woman. She is teaching. Who is she? A dash teaches us? Yes, teacher. A teacher teaches us. She is also a helper. She teaches us means she is also one of the community helper. You should be thankful to all of them. Now we are going to talk about this lady. Again you can see she is having some medicines in her hand. She takes care of the sick. Who is she? Nurse. And where you will find the nurse? In the hospital. In the hospital. Now coming to this person. Who is he? He is cutting woods. He is cutting woods to make furniture. See here? He's cutting woods and he's having some axe and hammer. Who is he? He's a carpenter. So, a carpenter makes things out of wood. A carpenter makes things out of wood. Now, coming to this person, as I told you, he gives letters at our home. Who is he? He is a postman. He is a postman. And where you will find a postman? In a post office. He goes to the post office, picks up the letters and comes back to our house and delivers it. So he is a postman. Now coming on this page number 3939, we are seeing a lady doctor. Who is she? Doctor. And a doctor treats the sick. Sick means जो बीमार होते हैं. A doctor treats the sick. Again, where you will find the doctor? In the hospital. You will find the doctor in a hospital. Now comes this person. Who is he? I am going to show you in big picture. Yes, he is a policeman. He catches thieves and prevents robbery. And where you will find him? In a police station. He works through the police station. And what does he do? A police officer protects us. Protects us means हमको बचाता है. Now coming to this, who is he? He is having tap and another equipments. See, he is fixing all the running showers and the taps. He is a plumber. P for plumber. P. Sound of P. P. So this plumber fixes our taps. Fixes our taps. Now this person, you know, he's a driver. A driver drives vans, cars and buses. Now can you see this? A mason. Again, who is he? A mason. A mason builds houses. And our last community helper is a cobbler. Cobbler mend my shoe. So a cobbler mends shoes. A cobbler mends shoes. So we should be thankful to all our community helpers. They all help us in one or the another way. So we should be thankful to them. Take care. Bye bye. Revise this topic.